My name's Steve Kraft, and I've been helping here with Mario Tapia in Llantas, doing some building with recyclables. And this is was a gazebo or a kiosk that we have been working on and filling it in with bottles and mortar. You can see the different designs from the different types of bottles, beer bottles, liquor bottles. Down here you have the PET or the plastic. Those are the plastic bottles, the ends of them. You can see the small ones here and the larger ones up there. And so when it's done, it gives you a real finished look when they're painted and everything. Inside in between, some of this has been filled in with like adobe. It's been filled in with paper mache, paper cut in strips and soaked in a barrel with some nopales or cactus sap to make kind of a sticky substance. And that's used as a filler also. But this is, we closed in 3 walls of this to make it an experience that you can go inside, and when the sun comes through, you see the different lights inside because of the different colored bottles. Also, we have a retaining wall here that is made out of old tires, used tires that have been filled with dirt and compacted. As we go through, you'll see the different stages. This here is for retention. It kind of gives us support from the back. Once again, these tires were put in. They were filled with dirt, compacted, wire mesh, chicken wire, put over the top, over the surface, and some of the filled in with adobe and some of that paper mache before the final coat. The paint itself is an organic paint made just of calcium or cal and water and that sap from the nopales to make it organic paint primer. As you go down over here, we can see where here he's put in also some holes, some tubes to relieve the pressure, hydraulic pressure that you get behind the walls. And if you didn't have that, then the water and the rain and everything would build up and it'd actually cave the wall in. This allows the moisture to leak out. Coming a little bit further down here, you can see the wall in progress. That's all made. Then we have tires. That'll also be finished the same way the one behind us is. We're going to have to put a primer coat with paint with sand, and then chicken wire, and then adobe and the plaster on it. But this kind of a job has been, or work actually, it's an artistic work that's being completed with recycled materials. You can see over here in the planter, in between, they've used that adobe and the paper mache to plug the holes. These particular ones are going to have little plants planted in each one, in between each one of the tires. You can see the table here that they made with the tires. That's going to be kind of covered, I guess, with wire mesh. And up on top here, we're just finishing this up. Putting together these, he calls them omnis, which in Spanish omni. In English would be like a UFO. Flying objects. They have these, and these are the top parts of wine bottles that have been cut, put together. We also have the bases parts that are joined together to make them square. But you can see those up in here along with beer bottles. But you can see how nice and clean that is when you finish it up and clean it up. So in other parts of Mexico, he's built entire houses out of these. And it's a good use of recyclable materials, and it's very effective also.